Have you ever wanted to grow wings and fly? Have you ever wanted to have superpowers that allow you to lift 50 times your weight or jump 5 times your height? This may all sound silly and impossible, but it happens when an insect goes through a process called metamorphosis. Today, I'm going to show you what happens to a caterpillar when they go through metamorphosis. Take out the worksheet that I handed out to you today in class and follow along with it as you watch this video. Fill in the name of each of the 4 stages of metamorphosis as you learn it and color each one when you are finished. You are to turn this page in first thing in the morning and we will go over what we have learned. The term metamorphosis is used to describe a young body that is changed radically before it reaches adulthood. Our bodies slowly grow and change over the years, but we do not go through a radical change, such as the caterpillar. A radical change means a drastic change, which means that the adult is almost unrecognizable from their children. For example, butterflies look almost completely different from caterpillars. The caterpillar is stuck crawling on land, and the butterfly is able to fly through the air. So how do they make these radical transformations? There are 4 stages of metamorphosis that the caterpillar goes through: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The first stage is the egg. An adult butterfly lays tiny eggs on leaves and stems so the caterpillar can eat after it hatches. The second stage is the larva stage, and it begins with the eggs hatching and out comes a larva, or also called a caterpillar. The caterpillar lives a very exciting life of eating and sleeping, and after a few weeks, the caterpillar is ready for the next stage. The third stage is the pupa stage, and it is where all the action happens. The caterpillar finds a safe place, such as the underside of a leaf, and spins a tiny pad of silk. The caterpillar attaches himself to the silk and wraps himself up and hangs upside down off of the leaf. This silk pad is called a chrysalis, or a cocoon. The caterpillar doesn't eat or interact with the outside world while in the cocoon. In the cocoon, the caterpillar is slowly changing and growing, and once the pupa stage is over, the caterpillar breaks out of the cocoon and emerges an adult butterfly. The adult lives its life as a butterfly and eventually lays its own eggs and continues the cycle. Now tomorrow morning when you come into class, you will notice you will have an extra classmate. Over the next couple of weeks, we will be observing a caterpillar go through metamorphosis. Every morning when you come into class, you will take out your journals, draw how the caterpillar looks that day, and write which one of the 4 stages you believe the caterpillar is in. Also, tomorrow we will review the 4 stages of metamorphosis and go over your worksheets, so please turn them into your boxes before class starts. Instructions will be on the board in case you forget. We will also be voting on a name for our new caterpillar friend at lunch tomorrow. Metamorphosis is part of the circle of life for caterpillars and is an amazing transformation to watch. So I hope you will enjoy our time studying and learning about metamorphosis.